Meaning of decision maker.
Decision maker.
Decision maker.
Decision maker.
Decision maker. A decision maker is a person or entity that has the authority to make choices regarding a particular course of action or situation. They are responsible for analyzing information, weighing options, and selecting the best course of action to achieve their goals. Decision makers can be found in various contexts, from business organizations to political institutions. The choices made by decision makers can have significant consequences, both positive and negative, on the outcomes of a situation. Therefore, it is important for decision makers to carefully consider all available information before making a final decision.